Hello guys, welcome to the Genius Coders. We are starting tutorials on React Native, and in this I will be explaining as much as possible to get you started to code in React Native. So let's begin. First thing, we need to do a little bit search on what is React Native. So let's go to their official site, and you will be find this link in description. You can check it out. Okay, so in here some basic information are given about what is React Native framework is, and it's very popular nowadays to code in write a code once, and it will be created for iOS and Android apps as well. So there is no need to learn Java and Swift for creating iOS and Android apps. On this page you can find some information. You can surely read out what it's, and it's giving some information what you're gonna be learning. And there are some popular companies which are using React Native, like Facebook, Instagram, Bloomberg, Pinterest, Skype, Tesla, Uber, Walmart, Wix, and there are so many. So we will start by installing, and I'm not going to show you a proper installation. I will be just guiding how to install React Native. So let's go to the documentation page for installation, and in here you can see there are two options: quick start and building projects with React Native. So what is quick start and building with projects with React Native is, in quick start you can use Expo, and it is a very best way and easiest way to building a React Native application. It does not require any Android Studio or Xcode installation. You can surely follow this guide to install Expo. Just you need to install Expo CLI and create an project with Expo command, Expo init and project name. I'm recommending you to building projects with React Native. What I am doing, actually what I did. So in here you have to select your development OS and target OS, that is on which machine you are coding and for which operating system you are building apps. For now I'm using a Windows, and I'm targeting OS Android for building an app. It's a little bit hard to install as for native. What you need is install Node.js, Python 2 and JDK. I'm sure if you previously worked with Java, then you should have JDK 8 as well. And just what you need is Node.js installed. You can just go to their official site for installing Node.js. Now what you need first is install React Native CLI globally. Now this npm which comes with the Node.js, if you install Node.js, you can have an npm command available. So just type an npm install -g, which represents a installation of globally, and install React Native CLI. So this will provide you a React Native command available to your project. So you can create a new project by using a React Native command, which will be seen in just a moment. The next part is you need an install Android Studio. Now for why we need Android Studio? So to running an Android project, we need an Android SDK installed, and what Android Studio does is it provides an Android SDK, which will be used to run our Android projects, and it also provide an Android virtual device which can be used to run an Android project. Now if you have a physical device to run, it will be fine. You don't need to install Android virtual device. You just need an Android SDK. For what? For that we need to install an Android Studio. You can just follow this link for downloading. It's, I guess, it's an 1 GB file to download. You just need to download an Android Studio by just click on this download Android Studio link, and it will be downloading an Android Studio file of around 1 GB. So it's pretty easy installation. You just need to press next, and all software you install is like that. Just make sure the internet is connected to your machine. It will otherwise it will cause problems. Now the next part is just install an Android SDK. Here some proper instructions are given. When the Android SDK is installed, just make sure that you set an environmental variable of an Android home. Like just let me show where it is. Let's go to my computer. Just go to my computer. Right click on go to the properties, and in this screen you just have to go to the advanced system setting. It will be opening a window. On here just click on environmental variable, and in users variable you just have to set this Android home path. Just like type an Android home in capitals and paste the Android SDK link, Android SDK path in here. It will be in your PC name, like C drive, users, and your PC name, app data, which will be hidden. Just need to show the hidden files on settings, and in app data and local Android and SDK. Just paste the path of SDK folder here and click on OK. And the next part is you will be successfully setting up. If you find any problems in installation of Android React Native, then just comment down below and let me know if you have any problems. I will be happy to solve your problems. Now the next part is to create an our first React Native project. For we have here a React Native init and a project name. So just let's create a first React Native project. Now on here you have a command. If you successfully install React Native, then you will have a React Native command, that is react -native. To create to initialize the new project, just type init space and your project name. So I'm going with rn first project, and just enter. It will be download some files, and you need an active internet connection to create a new project, because it will be downloaded some files from internet. And just wait for some minute. It will take some time. It will create some packages, and you can also see here it's created a folder, the package.json file. So when it's done, I will be coming back to you. Now you can see here our project is successfully created, and there are so many installation are done. Installation time takes sometimes depending on your internet connection. And when the project is connected, here's some guide provided how to run the iOS project and as well as an Android project here. Now on left side we can see a project is created with the folder name as our project, and there's so many files are created here with an Android folder and iOS folder, and there's app.js and package.json and package.json. These files are somehow important, and you can see our React Native and React Native installation is done. I will be exploring what this file means and why they are important and all that. See all that in next video. It's again too much long video. So thank you for watching and see you in next video.